Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm your teacher Lubna Sajjad from preschool. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine and happy. Students, winter season is going in these days and we feel so much cold in this season. So, students, you should wear warm clothes like cap, jackets, gloves, and you should use soup in your food. Okay, students? Now promise with me that you will take care of yourself in this season. Wow, poem! Do you like poem? Okay. Now I have one poem for you. I will sing it for you. Now listen me carefully. Do you like this poem? Okay. Now tell me, students, what did you see in this poem? Did you see something? Yes. You saw the bear. Yes, baby bear, mama bear, baba bear, and brother bear. But students, do you know one thing? You saw the puppets of bears. You see the finger puppets. Do you like these puppets? Okay, today I will tell you how you can make finger puppets. Do you want to make puppets? Okay, now watch this video very carefully. I will tell you how you can make finger puppets with different things.
First of all, I will tell you which things you need for finger puppets. You need colored computer papers, a stapler, black marker, a scissor, one pencil and one razor, and pencil colors. These things you need. See students, I have these computer papers. Brown color for the Baba bear, light brown color for Mama bear, blue color for brother bear, pink color for sister bear, and yellow color for baby bear. Now I will tell you how you can make the finger puppet of Baba Bear. You need this paper and size should be 4 by 4. Okay. Their length, their width should be 4 inch. Then you should have one pencil and you will draw the face of bear like this. Then you will draw the ears, eyes and mouth. And students, now you will make outline with black marker. And students, see, you can use different pencil colors to make it beautiful. You can color it in their eyes and in their mouth. Okay. See, the drawing of face is complete. Now you should have one scissor. Okay. And you will cut it like this. Very carefully. You can take help from your mother. Say, Mama, Mama, please help me in this activity. And I hope you will enjoy it so much. Now it's complete, drawing and cutting. Now you will fold it. You will fold it like this, okay, according to your finger size. See, like this. When you take the size of your finger, then staple it from the back side, like this. Students, you can use UHU also. Okay? Now see, this puppet is complete. And see, I have used this puppet in the poem for you. In this way, when you follow these steps, you can make the puppets like this. Now you should have this color and you can draw the face of Mama Bear. And when you complete the cutting and folding, it will be done like this. Now, this is Brother Bear face, and when you complete the cutting and folding, it will be like this. But students, you have to remember the steps, that what you will do first. First of all, you will draw the face, then you will cut, and then you will fold it according to your finger and staple it from the back. And this is the face of Sister Bear. You will draw the face, then you will cut, and then you will fold it and staple it, and it will be like this. The procedure is same, students, for the puppets, but you have to remember the steps. See? And this is the face of baby bear. You will draw and cut and fold. Then it will be like this. Students, see. It's very easy to make finger puppets. Look. It will be done like this. Now promise with me that you will follow these steps and make the finger puppets and send me its video.
I hope you like this activity, and I will wait for your video, and see you inshallah. Goodbye.